I just bought my all-time dream car, the 2011 Subaru WRX. But there's one problem. Or two.
I hope we can get parts for it.
Or maybe too many. The Subaru WRX is powered by an EJ255, which is a 2.5-litre turbocharged flat 4 boxer engine that pushes out 195 kilowatts and 343 newton meters of torque. In a boxer motor, the pistons move opposite to each other, which keeps the center of gravity low and cancels out engine vibration through its iconic symmetrical all-wheel drive system, which is paired up to a 5-speed manual gearbox. Most WRXs will set you back 6 figures easily. Mine, I just got it for 5 figures, and there's probably a reason for that. Let me show you exactly what a Subaru sounds like. We just got under 5 minutes left for the Subaru WRX. 59 seconds left. Please, God. Come on. Don't output me. Please, don't output me. 40 seconds left. Come on. Come on. 3, 2. No, it extended. It extended. I was so close. 1 second away. Come on. If it's meant to be, it will flip and be. 2. Oh my goodness. Push out to 5 grand more. He's gonna play games with me again. This guy. Don't output me. Please. This is flippin' nerve-wracking. That's it! I won it! Yes! 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 Let's go! For the right price. Yeah. At that moment, emotions were very high. I thought I made the right call. But little did I know, I had just walked into the biggest nightmare of my life. I've just got confirmation from the carriers that the car has just landed in Durban, and I'm on my way now to hitch off the trailer. I'm also nervous at the same time. I don't know exactly what to expect, but stay tuned. It's a rainy day in Durban, as you can see. The weather was quite bad last night and today, but let's go. We got the trailer ready, hitched it to the Hilux, and packed everything we needed: fuel, tools, boosting cables, and a spare battery. Because when you're picking up a car from an auction, you do not know what to expect. That's why we plan for the worst case scenario always. We're just putting some tire pressure in the trailer tire. But it was collapsed. Stop! It'll start because they parked it outside.
How they moved it?
Let's wait.
Yeah.
Looking lacquer. Looking lacquer. It looked good until we saw this. The whole tried to eat body fully, yeah? Thank you. The key for battery was dead.
Hey, my boy. You know what size tires is this?
What?
19-inch tires. You're gonna die to the tires. Yeah.
Start it.
So, Mr. Sunal, what you think?
Huh?
First jump in. Hey, the car is not bad, eh? Inside.
Before starting any auction car, always check the oil level and make sure that there is coolant in the system. Coolant. Oh. Everything looked fine until we turned the key. Now, inside an engine, the crankshaft is supported by shell bearings, which are thin metal inserts that sit between the moving parts. You got 2 types of bearings: main bearings which are fitted to the main caps that hold the crankshaft to the engine block, and big end bearings, which sit between the connecting rods and the crankshaft journals. These bearings are smooth surfaces designed to float on a thin film of oil. That oil creates just enough clearance for the crank to spin freely without metal to metal contact. But when this oil film breaks down due to low oil pressure, that metal contact causes friction, heat and wear, leading to what is known as a bearing knock.
Turn
the trailer straight, yeah? Oh, you want me to reverse it on the road?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. It got a knock, but still we got sunroof. It's looking lacquer. It's looking over tops. It's just that win some, we lose some, but the inside is clean. Inside is very clean. But lacquer, so far, I'm happy. I anticipated that it was going to be a clunk noise. It's a clunk noise.
Because the bearing is finished.
So you said mustn't.
No, the control will come through the block, then you have to find another engine.
Oh.
Now, the block and I'm hoping it's only the crank and the rods that are damaged. Check. But lucky we came with the trailer. Good call.
I wasn't going to take a chance. There's a reason why it is at the auction.
Yeah, but
I'm happy already. This thing is looking alright. Shit.
I will fix it. I hope we can get parts. You know.
We made it back, not to the workshop just yet, but at home. Before anything else, we wanted to go through the car, check the basics, and figure out what really are we working with. 2011 Wesley Subaru Bryanston. Okay, let's see after this. 16,000, 102,000. Okay.
Full service. Up to 100.
What?
Scooby works the same as
Yeah. And then the last one was done by LSA Auto.
They scoop the speakers.
Yeah, I can hear it. Nothing.
Only the
tweeters are graphing, yeah.
No, the car's not in bad nick. The car's in good
condition, yeah.
It's just that, I think diesel must have been winding this car.
The bed knock is easy to do. You just have to open the engine and top the bed.
Very easy. Oh.
That's not easy.
No, it's not that easy. You think it's that.
Don't worry, you'll get it done.
It's a major job. It can't be too hard. How hard can it? Engine is engine.
Okay.
Import engine. EJ25.
25, yeah.
I'm looking for EJ25 Subaru.
For turbo engine.
Turbo engine.
We only got with the plastic manifold
Yeah.
and bottom turbo.
Bottom turbo.
Yeah, bottom turbo. Yeah, I know it sounds.
We thought it was going to be a simple plug and play until he said sump mounted turbo. That's when the real problem started.
I hope we can get parts.
But more on that later.
About 25, if I'm not mistaken.
But there was some
All the
positives.
lights are working. Let's see, sunroof. First time having a sunroof. There's a flip and fly in there.
Guys, neat inside.
How's the seats there in the back?
Too hot and really. This is hardcore.
It's still neat in the back.
Ah.
Diagnostics on the WRX. Local diagnostics. Look for Subaru. There you go. Scooby Dooby Doo. Okay, connected. High speed scan. It's 9 faults. Okay. Battery supply malfunction. Backup battery. Ignition power failure. So this is round 2 of Trying to diagnose this WRX. Yesterday the battery died and well, it had low voltage, so it wasn't picking up accurately all the faults. But let's see what it does today. Just gonna hook up the battery. Got power. Just gonna air this car out. It's stinking. I don't know what these guys do at the auction place. Now we're gonna hook up the OBD2 ports. Okay, so this is round 2 of diagnosing this vehicle. I already know that we got a battery knock. All I want to do is just go through and see what other codes we get. Yesterday we were battling with the low voltage and we got too late. Now the battery is charged up. If you looked at yesterday, it was only at 12 volts, now it's at 13 volts, which is excellent.
Now we read and cleared the faults to see what would have remained.
Okay, it's still picking up in the ABS sensor. 2 ABS sensor faults. Well, I think left rear and right rear. Should be a break in the wire, or maybe it's not connected properly, maybe the sensors are damaged. All that could lead to ABS sensor faults. So now after clearing the codes, only the 2 sensors are showing. Alright, so now we were with one of my right hand mans. He helped me with the Hilux build. There's a Hilux there.
This guy is new car, so now you got the problem, but you're gonna check in what is problem. Yeah, I like this car 100%.
Sharp. So I just got off the phone looking for parts. Okay, this is good, eh? I'm good, man. I'm looking for EJ255 engine.
No, we don't have that one.
Oh, you don't have that. Okay, no problem. No engine. They don't know what's cutting. Okay.
Hoping to get parts. Hoping to get parts.
We managed to get the WRX to the workshop. Where do I even begin? Where do we find parts? Who's got an engine? But worst of all, it looks like I'm stuck buying most of the parts from the agents, which is going to cost an absolute fortune. Did I just make the dumbest mistake of my life? If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up button. And I'll see you in the next one.